So hello and welcome guys to a new video in diecast photography, and we are celebrating the Bburago motorcycle collection here in this week, wherein I am unboxing the various bikes. For more unboxings you can definitely check out my channel, and I have done quite a lot of bikes here, the reviews and unboxing. And for today we got a very special exclusive unboxing of the Bburago Suzuki GSX R 750. So this is not a brand new. It's I think from the late 2000s or the early 2000s. But then getting a diecast 1:18 scale model is very rare these days. So here's the overall box. Typical Bburago packaging with a see-through plastic cover, and other details here as printed. The price quoted in the box is 600 rupees and close to 7 to 8 USD. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. So here's a closer look at the bike. The color is quite beautiful with a dual tone white and blue color with the red accent marking the logo GSX R. The bike is made of mostly die-cast metal, but there are some elements of plastic, and the tires are fully made of rubber. The tires are free rolling, as you can see, and the rear tire also has very less traveling suspension, but it's there. We also got a free stand here, and let's take an overall closer look of the bike. The styling is reminiscent of the early 2000 design language, and let's take a closer overview of this. So this was everything from this video, guys. You can buy this bike from amazon.in, and I'll leave the link in the description. And please keep loving the content and have a good day, guys. Thank you.